Hi students, now we are going to discuss some questions based on only ionic bond. First question, which of the following is strongest bond? Options are ionic bond, covalent bond, metallic bond, hydrogen bond. Among these, strong attractions developed between two oppositely charged ions, that is ionic bond. So the strongest bond is what? Ionic bond. Second question, electrovalent compounds, nothing but ionic compounds. Generally, electrovalent compounds or ionic compound exhibits high melting points, conduct electricity in fused state, soluble in polar solvents, and fourth option is all the above. These all are considered the properties of ionic compounds. Ionic compounds exhibits high melting and boiling point, and they conduct electricity in fused state and aqueous state. They do not conduct electricity in solid state, and they are soluble in polar solvent. So all options are related to the properties of ionic compounds only. The correct answer is what? All the above. Question number 3. In the given bonds, which one is most ionic? Given options are sodium halides. Sodium halides are what? NaF, NaCl, NaBr, NaI. Just split it, you will get confidence. Na plus F minus, Na plus Cl minus, Na plus Br minus, Na plus I minus. Here the common is cation. No need to think regarding cation. Fluoride, chloride, bromide, iodide. If the cation is common, anion size increases, ionic character decreases. So among these four options, the most ionic one is NaF, least ionic is NaI. The concept is, if the cation is common, anion size increases, ionic character decreases. Now you can find simply correct answer in the given bond. Which one is most ionic? NaF, NaCl, NaBr, NaI. The correct option is what? NaF. Next, which one is the least ionic in the following compound? This is also almost the same concept. CaF2, Ca plus 2, 2F minus, CaCl2, Ca plus 2, 2Cl minus, Ca plus 2, 2Br minus, Ca plus 2, 2I minus. Here also cation is common, anion size increases, ionic character is decreases. So among these four options, the most ionic one is CaF2 and least ionic one is CaI2. And see this properly. The compounds are usually formed. Ionic compounds are usually formed by the combination of. Generally, most favorable factor for the formation of ionic bond. First option, high ionization potential, low electron affinity. Second one, low ionization potential, high electron affinity. Third one, high ionization potential and high electron affinity. Fourth one, low ionization potential and low electron affinity. Here, always think regarding the formation of cation and anion. To get cation, we are using energy, that is ionization energy. Using energy should be less, means ionization potential should be low ionization potential. And whenever electron adding to the neutral atom, there is energy releasing, that is electron affinity. Electron affinity should be more. So here the correct answer is what? Low ionization potential and high electron affinity. And question number 6. Which of the following compound is non-ionic? Given four options, which one is not ionic compound? Sodium fluoride is one of the best example for ionic compound. Calcium fluoride also. and AlF3. All these three options are ionic compound, and Cl2, it is a non-metal between covalent bond formed. Here the covalent means non-ionic, answer is Cl2. Next, molten sodium chloride conduct electricity due to the presence of. Whenever ionic compounds in molten state or fused state or aqueous state conduct electricity due to the presence of, first option, free electron, free ions, free molecules, atoms of sodium and chlorine. Whenever sodium chloride added to water, there is a chance of free movement of Na plus and Cl minus ion. So correct answer is free ions. And question number 8, two elements have electronegativity 0.7 and 4. The bond formed between them is what? 0.7 and 4. What is the difference? Difference is how much? 3.3. If the electron difference greater than 1.7, ionic bond is formed. Here the difference is what? 3.3. Obviously, what type of bond is formed? Ionic bond is formed. Okay, one exceptional example, HF is, even though covalent compound, the difference is 1.9. And keep in your mind, in total chemistry, highest polar covalent compound is HF. But here, the difference is 0.7 and 4, difference is 3.3. The resultant bond is what? Ionic bond. Next, which of the following has highest melting point? Which of the following has highest melting point? Given options are BeCl2, MgCl2, CaCl2, BaCl2. Usually, ionic compound exhibits high melting and boiling point. Here, first option is covalent compound. Leftover three options are ionic compound. But here, BaCl2 is more ionic. Obviously, more melting point. The correct option is what? Barium chloride. And question number 10. Ionic compounds do not have hard and brittle nature, high melting and boiling point, directional property, soluble in water. Yes, remember the concept. Ionic compounds are hard and exhibit high melting and boiling point and also soluble in polar solvent, whereas ionic bond is non-directional bond. So the correct answer is what? 3. See the question number 11. If the element's electronic configuration M is equal to 283, means outermost has 3 electron. A element outermost configuration 287, the formula of the compound is what? Between them. M is equal to outermost contain 3 electron and A is equal to has 7 electron. This one required only 1. This one ready to lose 3. So into 1 into 3. The correct answer is what? Ma3. What is the correct answer? Ma3. So here correct option is what? 4. Next, question number 12. When NaCl means sodium chloride dissolved in water, sodium ions becomes. Obviously, sodium ions will become hydrated. When it absorbs water molecule, correct answer is what? Oxidized, hydrolyzed, hydrated, none of the above. The correct answer is what? Hydrated. Next one, the decreasing order of ionic character. Here given options are sodium chloride, magnesium chloride, aluminum chloride, silicon tetrachloride. From just you see the 4 options, NaCl, MgCl2, AlCl3, SiCl4. Among these 4 options, the most ionic one is NaCl, least ionic one is SiCl4. NaCl to SiCl4, ionic character decreases, covalent character increases. Now you can estimate the correct answer. NaCl less than, decreasing order is asking. So this is wrong. AlCl3 greater than, wrong. NaCl greater than, MgCl2 greater than, AlCl3 greater than, SiCl4. This is the decreasing. Among these 4 options, most ionic one is NaCl. Next, which of the following element cannot form electrovalent bond with chlorine? Electrovalent bond means ionic bond. Among these four options, with chlorine, which one unable to form ionic compound? Potassium forms KCl, calcium forms CaCl2, CS forms CsCl, and beryllium forms BeCl2. Most familiar example among the second group, beryllium compounds are covalent compound. So the correct answer is what? Beryllium. Question number 15. Molten sodium chloride conduct electricity due to the presence of what? Ionic compound conduct electricity due to the presence of free ions, free electrons, free molecules, free atoms. The correct answer is what? Free ions. Then question number 16. Assertion and reasoning type. Many times we discussed in the class. Assertion is a statement. Ionic compound does not exhibit isomerism. This statement is right because ionic compound never exhibit isomerism because ionic bond is non-directional bond. So the correct answer is what? A right, R right, and R is the correct explanation of A. So for this type of question, whatever subject is either maths or physics or chemistry, options are same. Remember the concept. First option, both A and R are right and R is the correct explanation of A. Second answer, A and R are right, but R is not correct explanation of A. Third answer, A is true, but R is false, and A is false, but R is true. So here correct option is what? A right and R right, and R is the correct explanation of A. And question number 17. See this question. The melting and boiling points of ionic compounds are very high. This is an assertion. It is absolutely right. Reason for that, strong attractive forces are present among the ionic compound. This reason also right. The correct answer is what? A right and R right, and R is the correct explanation of A. And question number 18. Which of the following is more stable cation? These are four options are first group element cation. Top to bottom cation formation character increases. The most stable one, Li plus K plus Cs plus Na plus, is most stable one is what? Most stable ionic compound is formed one is what? Cesium. Next, question number 19. Number of electron transferred from one aluminium atom during the bond formation of AlF3. Just see the AlF3 splitting, you will get answer. AlF3 gives rise to Al plus 3, 3F minus. Here each aluminium giving 3 electrons, each fluorine taking 1 electron. So electrovalency of aluminium is 3, electrovalency of fluorine is 1. So here aluminium contributed how many electrons? 3 electrons. And question number 20. Which of the following is a favorable factor for the cation formation? Cation formation means to lose electron. After losing electron, getting positive charge. Positively charged ions are cation. So which of the following is a favorable factor for the cation formation? High electronegativity, wrong. This is favor for the formation of anion. High electron affinity, this is also favor for the formation of anion. Low ionization potential is the correct answer. Smaller atomic size is favor for the formation of anion, not for cation. Here among the four options, except third, leftover factors are favor for the formation of ion. Only third factor is favor for the formation of cation. Question number 21. Which of the following sets all the compounds are ionic? First option, NaF, BF3, MgF2. Here BF3 is covalent. NaBr, MgBr2, MgO. The answer is all the three options are ionic. Al2O3, MgO, SO3. Here SO3 is covalent. And fourth option, BeCl2, NaCl, MgCl2, BeCl2 is covalent. So the correct answer is what? Second one, NaBr, MgBr2, MgO, example for ionic in nature. See the question number 22. Which one of the following pair will form the most stable ionic bond? Sodium fluorine combination, iron chlorine combination, nitrogen oxygen, lithium and iodine. The most favorite for the formation of the among the given option ionic bond is the first one, sodium and fluorine. And next question 23. Which one of these are weakest bond? Ionic bond, covalent bond, metallic bond, van der Waal. Van der Waal bond means non-bonded attraction. Van der Waals means non-bonded attraction. Among these, the most weak one is van der Waal forces. If the bond has 0% ionic character, what is the character of the bond? If the 0% ionic means 100% covalent. Answer is what? Pure covalent. Question number 25. The charge on the cation is +2, anion is -3. Formula is what? This one, M giving 2 electron, A taking 3 electron. Simplest formula, M giving how many electrons? M giving how many electrons? 2 electron. A taking how many electrons? 3 electrons. So into 3 into 2. So the correct answer is what? M3A2. M3A2. Just okay, listen 1-2 times, you will get confidence regarding some questions from only ionic bond. Okay, just practice all these questions and practice bits from your book. Use number of reference books. Okay, be confident. So take care. Bye.